So PixVerse AI released their new feature called Magic Brush, in which you can go ahead and give direction to your objects in your videos, or you can go ahead and play around with facial expressions as well of your model in your videos. Like, this is an amazing step in the world of video generation. So yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and explore this feature out. Alright guys, so here I am in the homepage of PixVerse AI, and right off the bat you guys can see it's showing the new update, which is Magic Brush is now available. Now you can brush the area, mark the direction, and watch your image come to life. So this feature is really new, and it hasn't been showed by any other AI image or video generator tool before. So yeah, for accessing that, you need to go ahead and click on this create button in PixVerse AI. And after that, you need to go to this image options, which is image to video direction. All right. So here you guys can see we have the option of Magic Brush. So for accessing that, you need to upload an image first of all. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and select this image of a car in kind of some jungle setting or scene. Okay, and after that, you can access now the Magic Brush option from here. So now it says make specific objects in static photos move. So yeah, you guys can see we have a quick demo right over here. All right, and in that, you guys can see we have now the option to basically Magic Brush our object from here, and PixVerse AI also auto-select the area for you, where in this image it has basically recognize person, car, building, sky, tree, road, everything from this image, which is absolutely crazy, right? And over here, you guys can see we have now 6 different options to basically brush stroke or magic brush our 6 different objects and animate those objects in one go, which is really amazing, okay? So first of all, for a quick demo, I'm going to go ahead and auto-select area. I'm going to select my car from here. All right, it is absolutely perfect. And from here, draw Magic Brush direction. I'm going to go ahead and draw the direction. I'm going to move this car frontwards, okay, which is really good. And after that, I'm going to simply click on confirm, okay? And in the prompt box, I'm simply going to type in my prompt, which is going to be car moving, okay? And in camera motion, everything's going to be the same. And in the motion strength, I suggest you to keep this bar till 0.141516 like that, okay? And the seed is going to be random, and HD quality, you can basically, turn this on. And let's just say, like me, if you want quick and fast results, so you can turn this off as well, all right? So everything is set up now. I'm going to simply click on create and wait for the output, okay? All right, so here we go. Take a look at this result. Wow, this is really amazing, okay? So now our car is moving in the perfect direction like we did in the Magic Brush, and everything else looks absolutely perfect. Now, in this image, we don't have any unnecessary animation. We wanted our car moving in the forward direction, and it worked out absolutely perfect, okay? Now, let's just go ahead and take one more example. I'm going to upload another image. Let's just take this example of a superhero in space, okay? This looks really good. And I'm going to go ahead and do some Magic Brush from here. And from the auto area select, it has basically recognized 3 things: person, dirt, and sky, okay? So I'm going to select person, and I want this person to move in right direction, okay? I'm going to do that. And let's just go ahead and do one more animation. So I'm going to click on this brush tool, and from here, I'm going to select, let's just say sky, okay? This looks good. And I want sky in my right direction, okay? Simply click on confirm from here. And in the prompt box, I'm going to describe everything that I did in my Magic Brush, like superhero, or let's just do person moving in the right direction, sky in left direction, okay? Let's just do that. And from the camera motion, everything is going to be the same. Motion strength is going to be the same. And now let's just go ahead and create this and see our results, okay? All right, guys, so here we go. So now we have our person as superhero moving in right direction. Yeah, we do have some kind of a deformation in the legs, but other than that, the accuracy it did, like sky is moving in left direction, as you guys can see, and the person in right direction, all right? So this is how you can go ahead and direct your motion in your videos, which is absolutely crazy, okay? So another example you can do in PixVerse Magic Brush is now you can go ahead and play around with humans as well. Like, you can change movements of your human objects, or you can change facial expressions as well by applying different brush strokes in one video, which is really cool. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and upload image of my human model or human person in the image. So let's just go ahead and select this image right over here. This is gonna be our model. And after that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some magic brush. So let's be a little bit creative into that, okay? So first of all, I'm gonna decrease the size of my brush from here because obviously we're gonna play around with the facial expression of human. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna do magic brush on the lips, okay? And the magic direction is gonna be a little bit downward, okay? Not downward. And for our brush 2, I'm gonna go ahead and play around with the eyebrows, okay? So I'm gonna paint these eyebrows and I'm gonna do the magic brush a little bit upward, okay? All right, and after that, I'm gonna go ahead and brush stroke the hair. All right, and for that, I'm gonna increase the size of my brush. All right, let's just go ahead and do that real quickly. Or you know what, sorry about that. I'm gonna do that in brush 3, okay? Okay, so it's all done, and the magic direction for this is gonna be outwards, okay? All right, now let's just go ahead and confirm this. And now in the prompt box, I'm gonna describe everything that I did in my magic brush, like model, smiling, eyebrows upward, and hair flowing. Okay, that's what exactly I did in my magic brush, right? And the rest, everything is going to be the same. Let's just go ahead and create this and see how this is going to turn out now, okay? All right, guys, so here we go. Take a look at the results. Okay, so now we have like model a bit smiling, lips moving downwards, eyebrows are like upwards, you guys can see. And we don't see like hair flowing a little bit, you guys can see, but yeah, you get the point. Like this is how you can basically go ahead and play around with facial expression as well. Like, you know, you guys clearly see the facial expression of the model has changed, right? Which looks really, really good. Now, let's just go ahead and do one last example of similar kind. So I'm going to upload the image of my model once again, another image, which is going to be this one. All right. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and now do a little bit of magic brush again. Okay. So for the brush one, I'm going to go ahead and do the lips again, and it will be in the downward direction once again. Okay. And for the brush two, I'm going to go ahead and do this time the eyes, okay? I want the eyes to be in upward direction, okay? And in the brush 3, I'm going to go ahead and do the entire model, all right? So in the entire model, I want that to move into the right direction, okay? Let's just go ahead and confirm. And in the prompt box, I'm going to go ahead and describe everything I did in my magic brush, which is going to be model moving in right direction, smiling and eyes moving. Okay, let's just go ahead and create and wait for the output. Okay, all right guys, so here we go. So now we have the video from model moving in right direction, smiling, eyes moving, you guys can see. Right, so obviously it didn't turn out that perfect, but yeah, this is how it is gonna be. Now you can go ahead and change direction, motion, and play around with facial expressions of your human objects as well, very easily with the help of PixVerse AI. So I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you in some other one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.